This might be the fluid closest to Venom you've ever seen. A kind of high-tech material full of vitality, ferrofluid. What would it be like to create a cool Venom battlesuit with it? As a gel-like liquid, ferrofluid may look ordinary on the surface. But once it encounters a magnet, it moves violently, as if alive. And to make a Venom suit, at least 6 liters of ferrofluid are required. Since the market price is not cheap. So, how can we make this liquid ourselves? According to several papers. First, mix distilled water at 70 degrees Celsius with 4 milliliters of vinegar and stir. Then add 10 grams of ferric chloride and 6 grams of ferrous sulfate. Next, pour in 100 milliliters of ammonia to obtain magnetite V3O4. Use a strong magnet to separate out the impurities. And repeatedly wash with pure water to remove the excess impurities. To prevent the prepared ferrofluid from solidifying. A special surfactant is also needed. First take 1 milliliter of sulfuric acid. Mix with 20 milliliters of ammonia, then add a small amount of water to dilute and stir. After that, add the previously filtered Then use 20 milliliters of vinegar to neutralize the interior. Finally, just use magnetic separation and rinse with high concentration alcohol. Then blow dry with a cold air dryer. Add without stirring, and you will get the desired ferrofluid. Compared to square magnets, round magnets have better conductivity. So you also need to prepare 100,000 magnetic balls to cover the whole body and coat with a layer of latex to prevent the balls from dispersing. To make the suit look more realistic, you can also create some veins. Finally, pour the large amount of prepared ferrofluid into a fluid tank, and the moment a finger touches it, the fluid will quickly spread along the direction of the iron balls, thus forming a cool Venom battlesuit, and at the same time. This material does not exist only in science fiction movies. As early as the 1990s, scientists successfully invented magnetoriological fluid. Its viscosity can change within milliseconds, depending on the magnetic field strength. Just like Venom, it was applied to the shock absorbers of tank main guns, greatly improving the accuracy of the main gun. And precisely because of the success of this technology, scientists began exploring its potential applications in other fields, especially in the automotive industry, which demands strict durability and response speed. Finally, in 2002, Ford engineers successfully designed the MRC electromagnetic suspension system. It can analyze and adjust road surface information up to 1,000 times per second. This means that MRC can respond to road conditions within 1 millisecond. So what does a millisecond mean? Generally speaking, the human instantaneous reaction time is around 200 milliseconds. Even cats, whose nervous systems are highly sensitive, have the fastest reaction times above 50 milliseconds. But 1 millisecond of the MRC system can be said to far exceed the reaction speed of all animals in nature. So what creates such a miraculous response speed? It is thanks to the magnetoriological fluid inside the MRC system. Under the action of electromagnetic force, it can adjust the stiffness of the shock absorber. On bumpy roads, it absorbs most vibrations, providing a comfortable driving experience. When changing lanes, overtaking or turning, Mr. C can also adjust damping in real time, providing quick support to suppress the car's body roll. It is precisely due to these technological advantages of MRC that active electromagnetic suspension is only used in high-performance models. To satisfy young people's driving pleasure, Cadillac, a luxury sports legend for 27 years, For the first time, equipped the Dream Supercar Level Sports Package on the CT5 model. From the high-performance Brembo braking system, 2 Michelin PS4S sports tires. From tracker level, MLSD mechanical limited slip differential. 2. The MRC electromagnetic suspension with Venom-like ultrasensory response. It can be said that vehicle safety and driving pleasure are fully maximized. And as the golden signature of Cadillac CT5, the appearance of the MRC suspension is like Venom in battle, always wholeheartedly guarding its host, sensing every movement of the car, allowing you to drive at will and freely enjoy the thrill of control.